Imagine feeling strong and confident. You can achieve this. Picture yourself waking up every day with a sense of purpose and energy. The journey to a stronger, more confident you starts with a single step. Strength training can help you transform your body and mind. It's not just about building muscles. It's about building resilience, discipline, and a positive mindset. When you engage in strength training, you are investing in your overall well-being. It's not just about lifting heavy weights. It's about the small, consistent efforts that lead to big changes. Each rep, each set, brings you closer to your goals. It's about pushing your limits and discovering what you're truly capable of. It's about feeling healthier and happier. The camaraderie you build with fellow fitness enthusiasts, the joy of hitting a new personal best, and the satisfaction of seeing your progress. All these contribute to a happier, healthier you. Many people think strength training is only for athletes. That's not true. Strength training is for everyone, regardless of age, gender, or fitness level. It's about improving your quality of life and enhancing your physical capabilities. Strength training is for everyone. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced athlete, there's always room to grow and improve. It's a journey that anyone can embark on, and the benefits are truly life-changing. No matter your age or fitness level, you can benefit. From young children to older adults, everyone can find joy and improvement through strength training. It's about adapting the exercises to fit your needs and capabilities. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are immense. You'll gain confidence, strength, and a sense of accomplishment that will permeate every aspect of your life. Are you ready to start your journey? Let's dive in. Embrace the power within you and take the first step towards a stronger, healthier, and happier you. The path to transformation is waiting for you. Let's get started. Strength training makes your muscles stronger. When you engage in activities like lifting weights, doing push-ups, or performing squats, you're not just building muscle, you're also enhancing your overall physical health. These exercises challenge your muscles, forcing them to adapt and grow stronger over time. It helps you build muscle mass. This increase in muscle mass doesn't just make you look more toned, it also has significant health benefits. More muscle means a higher metabolism, which helps you burn more calories even when you're at rest. This can be particularly beneficial for weight management and overall energy levels. This means you'll burn more calories even when you're resting. The more muscle you have, the more calories your body needs to maintain it, even during periods of inactivity. This can lead to a more efficient metabolism and help you maintain a healthy weight more easily. Strong muscles support your bones. This is crucial for maintaining good posture and reducing the risk of injuries. When your muscles are strong, they provide better support for your skeletal system, which can help prevent conditions like osteoporosis and improve your overall mobility. This is important for everyone, especially as we age. As we get older, our muscle mass naturally decreases, which can lead to a loss of strength and balance. Regular strength training can help counteract these effects, keeping you strong and independent for longer. Strength training can improve your balance and coordination. Exercises that focus on building strength also enhance your body's ability to stabilize itself. This can reduce the risk of falls and improve your performance in other physical activities, from sports to everyday tasks. Don't forget the mental benefits. Engaging in regular strength training can have a profound impact on your mental health. The physical exertion releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. This can help reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety, leaving you feeling more relaxed and happy. It can boost your mood. The sense of accomplishment you get from completing a challenging workout can also contribute to a more positive outlook on life. Plus, the social aspect of working out in a gym or with a group can provide additional emotional support and motivation. It can increase your confidence. Seeing your progress in the mirror or achieving a new personal best can give you a significant confidence boost. This newfound confidence can spill over into other areas of your life, helping you tackle challenges with a more positive attitude. You'll feel proud of what your body can achieve. Every milestone you reach, whether it's lifting a heavier weight or completing more reps, is a testament to your hard work and dedication. This sense of pride can be incredibly motivating and encourage you to keep pushing your limits. You don't need fancy equipment to get started. Start with bodyweight exercises. These use your own body weight as resistance. Try simple exercises like squats. Lunges are great too. Push-ups are a classic exercise. Plank exercises work your core. Focus on proper form. This helps prevent injuries. Start slowly. Listen to your body. Take breaks when needed. You can do this. Section 4. Your workout plan, a simple guide. Let's create a simple workout plan. Start with a warm-up. This is crucial to prepare your body for the exercises ahead and to prevent injuries. Begin with some light cardio to get your heart rate up. Jumping jacks are a great option because they engage multiple muscle groups and get your blood flowing. Spend about 5 minutes on this. After that, move on to stretching. Stretching helps to increase your flexibility and range of motion. Focus on dynamic stretches that mimic the movements you'll be doing in your workout. Now for the main exercises. This is where you'll build strength and endurance. It's important to focus on proper form to maximize the benefits and avoid injury. Do 3 sets of 10 repetitions for each exercise. This structure helps to build muscle and improve your overall fitness. Make sure to rest for about 60 seconds between each set to allow your muscles to recover. Squats are a fundamental exercise that work your legs and glutes. They help to build lower body strength and improve your balance. Keep your back straight and your knees behind your toes to avoid strain. Push-ups are excellent for strengthening your chest and arms. They also engage your core. Make sure to keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, and lower yourself until your chest nearly touches the ground. Rows are great for working your back muscles. Use a weight that challenges you but allows you to maintain good form. Don't forget your core. Plank for 30 seconds to build core strength and stability. Repeat this 3 times to really feel the burn. Finally, cool down with some gentle stretches. This helps to reduce muscle soreness and improve flexibility. Spend about 5 to 10 minutes stretching all the major muscle groups you work during your session. Remember, consistency is key to seeing results. Stick to this plan, and you'll be on your way to a fitter, healthier you. Section 5. Listen to your body. Tips for a rewarding journey. Listen to your body. Take rest days when needed. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water. Fuel your body with healthy food. Don't get discouraged. Progress takes time. Celebrate your achievements. Enjoy the journey to a stronger you.